Hello and welcome to Logmaker. Logmaker is helping the environment by conserving forests, is conserving landfill, reducing landfill, and helping you towards reducing your fuel costs by creating your own logs. This is the WET Logmaker. For those of you who've got the dry Logmaker, it's very similar. However, you'll see it's got some slots in it. This is to allow drainage. Okay. What we've done is we've been soaking some waste in the bucket, okay, to give it a good soaking and allow us to give a lot more compression and a lot denser log. We've also been soaking some newspapers. As you can see, you need to give them at least 15-20 minutes to soak right through. This creates a different type of log, which we'll come on to later on. Okay, let's get started. Remove your plunger. And part of the Logmaker kit is the tray, the standoff, and notice that the drainage holes are downwards. The Logmaker and its plunger. All we need to do is fill it with wet waste. It's a wet process, you will get wet. You can see the water being expunged. Go slowly, go little by little. Newspapers, leaves, tissues, all go in. When your tray gets to a certain level, empty it back and keep pushing down. Cardboard has been soaked in there, wrappings. The WET Logmaker is going to give you a denser log. It will have to dry out. Again, empty your tray. We've now got a log which has got a variety of material. Its burning will be varied and much more interesting. Twigs, leaves, anything can go in. We'll stop at this stage, but we could go right up to the long log level. We'll stop at this stage. Empty your tray. Put the tray to one side. Remove the standoff. And now, purely eject your log. That can now dry out and be used in, depending on the temperature, a week or two. The second type of wet log, we've expunged all the water, alright? Move the tray, move the standoff. This time we're going to wrap it in newspaper. Now what this will do is keep the whole contents together. Twist on the end, eject, and twist there. So what you've got is a nice tight, firm, wet log which can now dry out and be kept compact. Okay, we're going to make a very dense, solid paper this time. We've soaked our newspaper, cut it in half, fold it on itself. Take another half of newspaper and roll up as tightly as you can. expunging as much water as you can at this stage. There you go. Tube into the standoff and into the tube. Right, stand up for this one. Push it down as hard as you can. This is not for the faint-hearted. Hard as you can, down. When you think you've gone as far as you can, take your standoff off, push out your tube. And there you have a very, very solid log. It's going to take a few weeks in England to dry out. It's probably about 50% of a normal log, wood log composition. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching the Logmaker. Any queries, please come back to us on www.logmaker.co.uk. We're pleased to help you out. Good luck and happy log making.